Am I audible?
No.
Am I not audible? Just a moment. Can anyone just tell me, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, Preeti ma'am, you're audible now.
Audible. Yes, Rekha ma'am, you have raised your hand. Hope I'm audible.
Yes,
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 ma'am,
you are
you're
audible,
audible.
ma'am.
You are audible.
You are audible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I'm just sharing my screen. Have some patience, please. Okay, just somebody can tell me if the screen is visible.
Yes, visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Just put in PPT
Ma'am,
mode, ma'am.
it is
Yeah, yeah.
visible.
Okay, okay. Okay. So there's one thing that I want to tell everybody, that this meeting will have to join it again after 10 minutes because it shows recurring meeting, and which is only for 30 minutes, right? So with the same ID, you can join it again. Anyways, let's continue till the time we have. So I was just reiterating that whatever concepts we give in science, if it is done with experiment, it is a great idea in that case. If I say in class 9th, if you are teaching about particles, that they are very, very small, take just pinch of potassium permanganate, dip it into water. It's fabulous to see in the classroom, right? Here I have shown in the first picture the color of nitrogen dioxide, the reddish brown color. The second one is induction. So if you do it hands-on, children never forget it. And there's a habit of every time understanding things scientifically and doing them rather than just observing. This is an activity that was done in the school, that it's a Rangoli competition where children have made DNA on the floor. And it is fabulous to see that they have used all the ideas of ATGC, A bonded with T and G bonded with C, the complementary rule. DNA extraction, children do it in the class. So more and more experiments we do, we are saying them, or we are putting them in a position where they are learning hands-on. They are utilizing the concepts. Dissection of flowers. In the smaller classes, we teach how to dissect a flower and what are the parts of the flower, right? And when they do it themselves, these are petals, these are stamen, these are carpels, ovule, whatever the portions are, the learning is very permanent. They never forget it. This is a project that was done, that is Neer Sanchay, water conservation. At the same time, there are many projects going on, like making the compost in the school premises. Children, when they contribute to the compost pit, they remember it. And I have seen many times that many of the students are doing at home also. So this is a fabulous idea to get these things done by children in small way. There's another initiative by which the students can learn, that is gamification. There are n number of games available which can make the concepts very easy. Some of them are here. If you want, you can take a screenshot of them. They are fabulous. The first one, Bamboozle, is very nice. Nearpod has worksheets also. In the next half an hour, I'll be taking one of them and I'll show you how it goes. Nearpod is too good. You have a picture, you have to name them. You have, different types of games are available by which you can revise the concept, you can implement it in the classroom, in the running classroom, and they can all participate. It's very cohesive and easy to conduct. Minecraft, they have been playing it. You can easily show them the whole of the cell structure in Minecraft. Theater and role play. Because theater and role play are generally for those topics for which the science study is important, like for environment, for evolution, for pollution, plastic. There are many topics which children needs to be aware of, and at the same time they need to be sensitized. So for that, role play and theater is a very good option. We all must have done it in one time or the other in the schools, or we must have seen at least children doing it. It's very impressive way, very creative way of doing it. Models. These are some of the models that are prepared in different schools. These are animal cells, virus cells, plant cells. They are all made up of edibles. The ones that we eat, they are representing different organelles in the cell. The first one is the structure of brain that has been made from fruits. So that is also quite impressive and a very creative way of memorizing things and getting things understood. The complex concept can also be easily understood. Like, it's very difficult for younger ones to understand how the cell is. And if they are using edibles on it, it becomes very interesting for them. The cells, what do you say? Ball and stick model. Ball and stick model is very beautifully explaining the bonding in carbon. Even in higher classes, I keep on doing this because this gives them a very absolute idea of how tetravalency of carbon is, what is the tetrahedral structure, what are the different hybridizations, and so on and so forth. This is the structure that is showing the picture that is on the right hand side. You can see how the light is getting dispersed into different colors. So all these things can be done in the classroom with the children. You don't have to do it. It has to be done with the students. So it becomes easier in that way. Survey. Nowadays, survey has become really very easy because initially it was only paper and pen kind of thing. But now you have so many ways and means of doing it. Online survey, the most popular one is polls. You can get all the data hand in hand, very easy. Pen and paper is definitely there. Telephonic survey is there. One-to-one interview is there. You can have a big sample size also in these survey. If you are having online poll, you can contact around 500, 700 people for the survey. And when the children are doing the survey themselves, it gives a very big platform for exposure, I would say, because having the topic from teacher's mouth or from tutor's mouth or from an author or from book doesn't give that clarity of the topic rather than doing it themselves with the help of survey. Next is case study. About case study, I would say there are many topics which can be made as a case in front of student. Like I have taken the life cycle of a butterfly. So just showing them a picture and telling them what is happening, how is happening, find it out. It's a beautiful idea. Very nice projects are here, which says, are all the seeds same? they'll collect different seeds and they will analyze them whether they are same or not. If they are same, why they are same, what is the difference, what is monocotyledonous seed, what is dicotyledonous seed. So all these things can be easily understood when they do it themselves. And variety of seeds are available at home. Nothing needs to be done bigger in this case. Case study, we have so many topics. I have collected some of them. One is global warming debate. Global warming, if it is a case, then what is your view? What are the ways to, what are the ways to overcome it? It's showing me teachers last 1 minute is left. So we'll be joining this meeting again with the same link and same ID, and we'll continue from here. All right. So I'm stopping it from sharing. Otherwise the topic goes half. I'm joining it again, and I would request everyone else also to join with the same link and ID.